Hello and welcome to my room tour. I'm staying in the 50s building, and as you can see, there's some pretty colourful curtains welcoming me. Apologies, I'm a little bit out of sync. It's 3:30 in the morning UK time, local time 10:30 at night. I am going to very quickly do a video and then unpack and prep for theme park time tomorrow. So as you come in, the first big feature you have is the air conditioning. At the moment, it's set on 68 degrees. You have your beverage cooler, not fridge, and I have popped some water already in there. I trialled today using Instacart to arrive. A few hiccups, but I eventually got there. We have our beverage making goodiness. So there's an assortment of things in there for me to make a caffeinated beverage or a tea, and a basic Cuisinart machine, and a selection of cups, ice bucket, and there's the socket, and I can turn the light on and off. Down to the side there is recycling trash, and these types of bins have been changed out from last time I was here. Outlet, we have the sort of faux wood floor, and look, this is different. We have a faux rug effect by the chair area, and this obviously is the second bed, which will be pulled down very shortly for me to go bobos in. Over here we have the Hey Disney machine. There's 2 USB ports and a further outlet over there. So we're looking good at the outlet situation so far. On the desk underneath the big flat screen TV, again, you have got double ports there. Nice to see the new modern charging port outlets for my new iPhone. So that's good. And then on the other side, just the standard USB one, but plenty of sockets over here. We have a humongous television screen. And as usual, you have extra pillow, you have a Bible, you have a safe, and quite a generously sized safe. Very simple to operate. 4-digit code, press lock. Wonderful. 3 sets of drawers. Now the corner on this bed is nice and rounded. Won't be that way on the Murphy bed though. So next to the bed, again, you have got 2 types of USB and an outlet. You have got the super cool pop art style Mickey, and then on the other side of the bed, 2 USBs, 2 outlets. You're not going to struggle for sockets here. And then that's where the edge of the rug goes. Into the bathroom, nice shower, and the sea salt range of body wash, conditioner and shampoo. These are virtually the same of what I've just come off the Disney Fantasy using. So I'll be doing a smell test later. And a nice shower, toilet area, and then over here we have a solitary, very sad looking single bar of soap. All the things you need. There's a steam iron, ironing board, there's an iron in this cupboard here next to, oh, there isn't, but there's a hairdryer. Oh, the iron's there, you silly Billy, it's in the box you've just said. That's why I'm jet lagged. And some hangers. So all in all, not too shabby. Nice arrangement of little pegs for coats and things, dry out the ponchos. So yeah, happy. Now I'm going to go and pull the bed down and get unpacked. So bye for now.